Welcome back. Bhoma villagers turned furious over shifting of an electricity pole. The electricians were shifting the electricity pole on the request of Amar Naik as the pole was allegedly encroaching upon his property. Villagers claimed that Naik's house is illegal, but Amar refuted the allegation. Ponda police detained 14 people for unlawful assembly and obstructing government servants at work.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आणि आमचे सरपंचान हांगासर येवन सायड इन्स्पेक्शन केलें सगळें पळयलें. हे वाटेन अशी वयल्यान लायन ओडपाची आशिल्ली पयलीं, म्हणजे आमची घरा वयली शिफ्ट करून हेवटेन ओडपाची आशिल्ली. सगळे येवन हांगासर तांकां हांगा सगळ्यांक बळजबरी करताले, हांगा दादागिरी करताले आनी तांकां परते धाडटाले. सो आमी पंचायतीक कळयलें की हें तुमचें कितें चल्लां काय म्हणून. सगळे येता हांगा मस्ती करता, कांय ना, कोणाची स्टे ना हांगा, कांय ना ऑब्जेक्शन ना, कांय ना, फक्त बळजबरी चलता. सो मागीर पंचायतीन तेजेर एक्शन घेतली आनी आज पुलीस प्रोटेक्शन आनी हांगा मामलेदार येवन तेंच्यांनी सगळे डिस्कस करून
ते लोक हांगा तुमकां अपोज करतात ते म्हणटा तुमचे घर इलिगली तुमी एन्क्रोचमेंट केला अशें म्हणून.
आमी कायदेशीर पंचायती कडल्यान एनओसी घेवनूच सगळे केल्ले आसा तें.
Later, Ponda police detained around 14 people for unlawful assembly. Joint Mamladar Abir Hede intervened and brought the situation under control.
काही लोक हांगा प्रोटेस्ट करताले, तेका अपोज करताले पोल घालपाक. दोनदा तेंचे फेल जालें काम. थर्ड टायम आमी विथ फोर्स येयले आनी विथ पुलीस हेल्प आमी त्या लोकांक डिटेन केले, प्रिव्हेंटीव डिटेन केले आसा ते. फुडली कारवाई डिपेंड अपॉन येईल.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Second Aqua Goa Mega Fish Festival 2015 is set to begin in Goa. This year the festival will be organized in North and South Goa. The 4 days fish festival is organized by Fisheries Department after a grand success last year. Government aims at benefiting the local fishermen and entrepreneurs. New technologies will also be displayed at the festival. Fish festival will be held at Navali from 29th January to 1st February and in Mapsa from 5th to 8th February.
This year I have decided to have it for 4 days. And the demand was so much that the North people also told me, you have to have another show in the North. So this time we are having it one in South and one in North. So that the people from the North also can have a look at the variety of fishes that we are having.
Fisheries Director Sharmila Montero informed that there will be different stalls installed to update local fishermen and entrepreneurs on the developments in the sector.
Stalls which will be selling fishing equipment, okay, like the outboard motors, the varieties of paints. Then we have got life-saving equipment. We have got the ice boxes. Then we have got all the GPS or the fish finder, a stall which will be showing all selling those kind of equipment. So those fishermen can go and see the latest technologies which are coming up in the industry.
This year, the fest is being held in North and South Goa. In Navali, it will be held from 29 January to 1st February and in Mapsa from 5th to 8th February. Reporter Savya Dias for Prudent.
Goa State Pollution Control Board has signed a memorandum of understanding with the BITS Pilani Institute to train their faculties to handle new technologies and measures to monitor and control air and water pollution levels in the state. Chairman of the board, Jose Manuel Narona, said the program will help in expanding the existing technologies.
Goa State Pollution Control Board has signed a memorandum of understanding with BITS Pilani to measure, monitor and control the air and water pollution levels in the state. It's a 2-year MTech Environment Engineering program.
Often we find that because of our soil conditions, maybe the water conditions, the load on the STPs, they don't function optimally.
Okay.
The requirements of BOD, COD are not met because the technology used in STP itself is a faulty one.
Okay.
So we will take these live problems to the BITS along with their faculty, along in their laboratories, experiment, come out with new. In fact, even the project work dissertation they do will be based on some issue that the board is facing in the state. Control of air and water pollution is concerned. Because we have a lot of technology that are being used today for our hotels specifically, where the STPs don't function because the technology itself is not suitable for what conditions there are. So whether we can get a new kind of a technology in, maybe whatever technology, maybe develop something indigenously by our students, some research and development can take place.
BITS Pilani Director K.U. Raman informed the training program would be using modern technologies and methods.
2-year program, and the teachers will be teaching using technology. The teachers from the Goa campus, they will be delivering lectures, and students will be attending from here. It's one of the unique things which we are trying to do.
video conference.
Yeah, right. Of course, there would be contact sessions where, as you know, the students would like to meet the teachers and discuss. That will also be there time to time. But all lectures will be delivered through the technology.
28 staffers of GSPCB are enrolled for 2 years MTech Environment Engineering degree program. Reporter Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.